Hi, Dar here with Old Ash Artisans. Today we're going to show you how to make soap dishes with our soap dish die. It's just one extrusion and a little bit of cleanup, and you have these production soap dishes. You could just knock them out a bunch at a time. On the soap dish you have your rough side and your smooth side. As always, mount it smooth side up for easy cleanup. So you fill your extruder with clay and just simply extrude. Since it's hard for me to hold it and extrude it at the same time, this first part is a little misshapen, so I just cut that off and use that clay for something else. There you have it. You just decide how long you want your soap dish to be. Standard bar of soap, maybe about that long. So we probably want to do about a 4.5-inch soap dish. Okay, we put our extrusion on foam so it's easier to cut with the wire cutter or the cheese cutter. I'm just going to measure 4.5 inches and make a little mark where I want to make my cuts.
How soft is that foam? Perfect.
Okay, use your cheese cutter. Kind of move swiftly. We don't want to deform the clay. Put it on here, eyeball it for straightness, push it through. The foam lets you go down. You can also, if you have a decorative edge,
Show that again.
then you can do a decorative edge on your soap dish. So we've got the scallop cut at this end. We've got the regular cut at this end, which we would need to correct if we wanted to go with the scalloped cut. I want to show you the bottom of the soap dish. There's two stands here that you can wax and keep off your kiln shelf. And that just keeps it up off your sink or counter as well. Okay, we have a few finished unglazed samples here for you. This one we felt inspired by the leaves falling all around us, so we added a few leaves for embellishment. We have the scalloped edge on a couple of them, straight edge on a couple of them. And there's your finished product. Be sure and like us on Facebook, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and follow us on Instagram. And as always, thanks for watching.